If you're trying to buy a home in Washington, D.C. or Maryland, and you're making lowball offers, you're not negotiating, you're eliminating yourself. In a competitive seller's market, a lowball offer, typically 10 to 25% below asking price, is one of the biggest mistakes buyers make. In hot DC and Maryland markets, sellers don't negotiate with lowball offers. They ignore them completely. No counteroffer, no discussion, nothing. You're not just submitting a number, you're sending a message. And a lowball says, "I'm not serious." Here's what most buyers don't realize. Sellers are emotional. That's their home. A lowball offer can feel like a personal insult. When you start too low, the gap becomes too big to close. Instead of negotiating, you've killed the deal before it starts. While you're waiting on a response that never comes, other buyers are locking in homes. Now, there are times when lowballing works, but not in competitive markets. If you want to win and save money, don't focus only on price. Focus on terms. In Washington, D.C. and Maryland, you don't win by being the cheapest. You win by being the strongest. If you're serious about winning in this market, stop lowballing and start positioning your offer to win.
Your ultimate hub for real estate insights, breaking news, entrepreneurial wisdom, investing strategies, and self-development hacks. If you're ready to expand your mind and stay ahead of the game floor, you're in the right place. Subscribe now. Your future self will thank you.